Hi, I'm Tim Daniel. I'm here at the ADAS and Autonomous Expo in San Jose, California, talking with the gentleman from LeddarTech. I'm here with Jean-Simon from LeddarTech and going to hear a little bit about their technology. Jean-Simon, can you give us an overview of what LeddarTech does?
Yeah, so we at LeddarTech, we do LiDAR components and software for LiDAR makers and tier ones, mainly for automotive applications, but also industrial and many different LiDAR applications. So we have chips, our LiDAR Core product line, which is really a LiDAR acquisition engine for LiDAR systems. We also have signal processing and data sequencing acquisition firmware for those chips. We have optical components, so we have our LeddarSteer product line, which is an optical beam steering device, solid state beam steering that's based on liquid crystal technology that allows our customers to implement many different systems, many different LiDAR systems based on those beam steering requirements that they have complete solid state. And we also have our perception software that goes on top of that. It's a raw data fusion software that Stav is going to talk about.
Okay. Are you mainly in the automotive market or commercial market? Which markets do you serve?
Yeah, we serve mainly the LiDAR market. So it's automotive and also industrial. There's many different applications in robotics, delivery vehicles, and those kinds of stuff.
Yeah. Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, we're back with Stav here from LeddarTech, going into a little bit more of their technology. So Stav, great to be here with you.
Yeah, great for having me.
You're welcome. And can you go into what you do with LeddarTech and what your products are?
Yeah, sure. So I'm representing the software business unit that actually used to be an Israeli startup that was acquired 2 years ago by LeddarTech. And what we specialize in is low-level fusion and perception that creates an environmental model. That environmental model can support all the autonomous features starting from ADAS level 2, adaptive cruise control or lane keeping, and all the way to fully autonomous level 3, level 4, surround systems with autonomous parking, highway autopilot, etc. We fuse all sensor modalities, cameras, LiDARs, radars, GPS, IMU, information from the canvas. It's low-level fusion, so we take raw data, create a 3D model of the environment that is abstract, and on that model we are running all the object detection and lane detection and free space, and all the information that is required, all the classification that is running on this model. So that allows us to be scalable and sensor agnostic. So an OEM can change a sensor, change a camera, add sensors, and it does not require us to rebuild the architecture and to throw away all the trained data that we previously created. So it allows for a lot of scalability as well as freedom for the OEM to choose future vendors or add features.
Okay, and your business is to support other vehicle manufacturers or other manufacturers to bring ADAS to market through your perception.
Correct, both ADAS and AD. What I did not mention is the next element. What we are connecting to is the vehicle control and that path planning. This part we're not doing. We're working with either tier ones or OEMs. They are implementing that function. Our goal is to create this unified environmental model that can support all the features, both starting from the ADAS, AD, parking, etc.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much, Stav. It's been a pleasure just talking with you today.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks for listening to Reimagine Mobility Podcast. If you like this episode, please subscribe and tell a friend.